everybody. Okay, so Mrs. Paddock's going to model how to use Microsoft Word, okay, to type up part of the story, the Rumble in the Jungle story. So let's begin then. And I have listened to the story and I have chosen the lion, okay? So I'm going to type up the poem from the story about the lion. So first of all, I'm going to use up here. Can you see where I select the center? I'm going to move my cursor into the middle of the page and I'm going to type lion. Okay, now I've done that, I'm going to press the return button. So if you don't remember the return button, ask your mummy or daddy to help you. So return. Okay, so the first sentence I'm going to write, so I'm going to read it or listen to it and then I'm going to type it. So the lion's the king of the jungle. Okay, so I need a capital letter for the capital T. The space, lion, apostrophe, the lion's the king of the jungle. Return. So I'm copying it just as I see it in the book, okay? Capital letter, just listen how loudly he roars, and that's an exclamation mark. Oh, that's quite hard to do. You have to hold down the shift button and press number 1. Tricky. Okay, return to the next line. Capital letter again. Every animal quivers. Return. Capital letter. And shudders. And oops, I made a mistake. So I need to delete that. Press the backspace. That's it. And shivers. Return to the next line. Capital letter. As soon as he opens his jaws. And then I finish my poem about the lions. I'm going to put a full stop there. Okay, and we've looked at features of poems before, and that every new line in the poem starts with a capital letter. All right. So now I'm going to highlight all of my text. So use your mouse or the mouse pad, highlight it all. And I'm going to go up here to change the font. Do you remember how we did this in ICT and computing? I'm going to change it to this one, quite magical. Oh, wow. It's a bit small though, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to make it bigger. Perfect. And I'd quite like to change the colour. So I'm going to click this icon and I'm going to choose blue. Excellent. Okay, so I have typed up, I've chosen an animal from the Rumble in the Jungle story and I have copied it or listened really carefully and typed it up using Microsoft Word. All right, and then I've challenged myself to change the font, the size of the text and the colour of the text. Now make sure you've got all your punctuation correctly and you spell all those tricky words correctly. Good luck!